Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve a very interesting question of the chapter Solution of Triangle or Properties of Triangle from JEE Advanced 2023 question paper. It is a paragraph based question, and the question says that we have to consider a obtuse angle triangle ABC where the difference between the largest and smallest angle is pi by 2 and its sides are in arithmetic progression. Also, it is given that the vertices of this triangle lie on a circle of radius 1 units, and the question says to find out 64a whole square where a represents the area of the triangle. So let's start with the problem by drawing the figure. So basically let us consider this triangle ABC. Okay, so you can see this is a triangle named ABC. So let us name it. Okay, so basically it will be A, B and C, and it says that the largest and the smallest angle differ by pi by 2. So in an obtuse angle triangle, the largest angle is obviously the obtuse angle and the smallest angle is the smaller one between the other two acute angles. So let this angle angle BAC be the smaller one, so it is the smallest angle of the triangle, and let its value be theta. Okay, so what will be the value of the obtuse angle ABC? It will be clearly pi by 2 plus theta because they differ by pi by 2, so it will be pi by 2 plus theta. So angle ACB will be equal to, the remaining angle will be equal to pi and the total sum minus here it is pi by 2 plus theta means pi by 2 plus 2 theta. So it will be equal to pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2 and minus 2 theta. So this is the value of angle ACB. Okay, this is the value of angle ACB. And now it also says, the question also says that the sides of the triangle are in AP. So we can take them as suppose A plus D and A plus 2D, or we can also take them as A minus D and A plus D. So A minus D will be the smallest side, A will be intermediate and A plus will be largest. So obviously largest side is opposite to obtuse angle, so that will be side AC, and let us take it as A plus D. And now the smallest angle is angle BAC. We have assumed it to be the smallest angle, so basically the smallest side will be BC, so it will be A minus D, and the intermediate side will be angle side opposite to angle ACB, that is AB, so it will be A. So A plus D and A minus D, these are our chosen variables, and also theta is also our chosen variable. Okay, so let us proceed. Now clearly we know all the angles and all the sides of a triangle, so at first what hits our mind is the sine rule. So let us apply the sine rule, and we also know the circumradius of a triangle basically because its vertices lie on the circle of radius of 1 unit, that is its circumradius capital R equals to 1. So you can easily apply the sine rule in complete form. So let us apply that. It will be like A by that is AB by sine C, that is A by sine this angle is pi by 2 minus 2 theta according to our calculation, and it will be equal to A minus D, the smallest side, by sine theta, smallest angle, and largest side A plus D whole divided by sine of sine of pi by 2 plus theta, and that will be equal to 2 into circumradius, that is 2. Okay, so from the last two parts, A plus D by sine this one equals to 2 and A minus D by sine theta equals to 2, we can write that A plus D equals to 2. Now this is sine pi by 2 plus theta, and that is cos theta, so A plus D equal to 2 sine pi by 2 plus theta, or directly cos theta we can write. And A minus D we have equal to what? 2 sine theta. It will just clearly 2 sine theta. Okay, so it will clearly 2 sine theta. And also A will be equal to this sine pi by 2 minus theta, this sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta is basically cos 2 theta, so A will be equal to 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, so basically we have obtained these relations. Now if we add these two relations, we will get 2A equals to 2 sine theta cos theta plus sine theta. So basically A will be equal to just sine theta plus cos theta, and if we put the value of A here in this third equation, we will get sine theta plus cos theta equals to 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, so if we square this equation, we will get sine squared theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equals to 4 cos square 2 theta. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 plus sin 2 theta, and that will be equal to 4 cos square theta means 4 minus 4 sin square 2 theta. So that will be equal to now if we let sin 2 theta, which is the main variable in this equation, as suppose x, so we will get the equation as 1 plus x equals to 4 minus of x square. So x square plus 4x square. So 4x square minus plus x, okay, minus 3 will be equal to 0. Okay, so 4x square plus x is equal to 0. Now by doing further calculation, we will get this as 4x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 3 equals to 0. So this will equal to 4x, taking as common, x plus 1 minus 3 x plus 1 equals to 0. So this will be equal to x equals to 3 by 4 or minus 1. So clearly x can't be minus 1, because if x is minus 1, then sin 2 theta equals to minus 1. That means 2 theta is 3 pi by 2 and theta is 3 pi by 4, but theta is the smallest angle, it is the acute angle, so its twice is basically can be negative basically. Okay, so we have sin 2 theta, that is x, equal to 3 by 4 only. This can't be the value of sin 2 theta, because then theta will not lie in the first quadrant. Okay, so basically we have obtained sin 2 theta equals to 3 by 4. Now what we have to find, let's see in the question. We have to find the area of triangle. It is area of triangle. Now we also have another formula, that is area of a triangle. Okay, so let us look into that area. So area of this triangle is basically half into this side into this side, it is half into AB into AC into sin this included angle half AB sin C. We know this formula. So basically it will be or we can also write it as basically half into AC into BC into sin C, or half into AB into BC into sin B. So we can take basically A plus G into A minus G, these two sides. So it will be like half AC into BC into sin C. So if we take this as the area of the triangle, then we will get it as A, which is the area of the triangle, equal to half is A plus D side multiplied by A minus D side into sine of that angle, and that angle was ACB, and it was clearly pi by 2 minus of 2 theta. Okay, so that will be equal to half A square minus D square. Now this is equal to basically cos 2 theta. Now A plus G into A minus G, or A square minus D square, this we can write it from the two equations which we have at first. So these two equations we can use. So A plus D is 2 cos theta and A minus D is 2. We can replace them clearly here in this expression. So in this blue expression, we A plus D and A minus D by 2 sin theta into 2 cos theta, that is 2 sin cos theta suppose into 2 sin theta, and remaining part is cos 2 theta. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled, and it will be like 2 sin cos theta, that is sin 2 theta multiplied by cos 2 theta. Now we know that sin 2 theta is basically 3 by, so if sin 2 theta is 2 by 4, then cos 2 theta will be equal to 1 minus root over of 3 by 4 square, that is 1 minus 9 by 16, that is root over of 7 by root over of 16, that is root over of 7 by 4. So this value will be equal to sin 2 theta means 3 by 4 into root over of 7 by 4, that will equal to 3 root 7 by 16. So that will be the value of what? A. So basically A is this thing, and what is 64? We have to find 64A whole square. So 64A is 64 basically, not 69, 64. 64A equals to 64 multiplied this value, and this come out to be 12 root 7. So 64A whole square will be equal to basically 12 square multiplied by 7, that is 144 multiplied by 7, and it will be 7 14 980 and 7 4 28, so 1008, so 1008. So this is our final answer. So we have obtained answer to a numerical question asked in JEE Advanced 2023, the last year. Clearly, it is a very interesting question and from an interesting chapter too. So if any doubt, please write in the comment box. Hope you have enjoyed the solution thoroughly, and please share the mathematical lessons with your friends. Thank you.